Today I'm going to show you how to create this diagonal gatefold card
using the Delightful Wishes bundle, part of the Floral Delight Suite that is in the new mini catalog, which includes this really nice bundle with some two-step stamping and dies to cut those images out, along with a nice label die for the sentiments. And we've got two types of paper. We've got this nice vellum paper, and the dies cut out the flowers and the larger leaves. We also have some flowers on Pool Party and Pool Party Gingham. And then we've got some really pretty flowers and then designs on the back side. We also have some really nice Daffodil Delight ribbon. That's fun with all the delightful in everything, the Floral Delight, the Delightful Wishes, and Daffodil Delight. And then we have little tiny bead trinkets. They're so cute, so I'm gonna use one of those on this card. Now we have a 12 by 5.5 piece of the Floral Delight Designer Series paper. And I think I want it to go like this, I think. So this is scored at 2, 4, 8, and 10. So not very hard to remember. And then I have a piece of 3 7/8 by 5 1/8 that I'm just gonna put inside here later after I stamp it. And I have a piece of 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 that I'm gonna go ahead and put this on so it's on a card base. And now we're just going to fold the corners back. And we can just put a little bit of adhesive back there to hold it in place. We're going to do this on all 4 corners. And that's what's creating this nice piece right here. And you can see both sides of the paper. So then I use the Stylish Shapes dies to cut out 2 of the squares in Old Olive and Basic White. And I'm going to stamp both of these pieces here with some of the flowers. So we'll start with the Lemon Lolly. And so we'll stamp one over here and one over here and then one up here for that one. And then this one will do 3 as well. And I'm holding the stamp all the same direction so that when I line it up, I don't have to try to figure out which way it goes for each one. And then for the leaves, I stamped off. And then I'm going to stamp the sentiment. We'll have wishing on the front, and I'll say, "You all the best." And we'll add a little bit of this sprinkle stamped off.
So now I am peeling the adhesive back off. I used an adhesive sheet when I cut it out so that it would be easy to apply. And I saved the little dots for the eyes, which are tricky, but I'm going to use 2 take your pick tools to peel the backing off and then apply those eyes. They're pretty tricky, but once you get the backings off, then you can get them on pretty easily.
And I'm just going to add some dimensionals to one side, the left side. So we can place this on the front here. And then to hold it closed, I like to use these magnets from Basic Gray. I get them on Amazon, and there's a link to them on my website under Shop, and then Elaine's Favorite Tools. And I get the small ones, but sometimes they only have the pack of large and small ones. But these are really nice and thin, and they have adhesive on one side, so you just have to peel back the backing to it. There we go. And then just place it on one side and peel the backing of the other one. And that will hold it closed. Now we have the tiny bead trinkets, and I'm going to use a glue dot to hold that in place. They are tiny, and so I'm just going to roll the glue dot up to make it smaller. And then grab one of the little bees, and then we'll add a bee over here.
And that is my diagonal gatefold card.